Hello,
Hello, I was trying to reach.
who's speaking?
My name is Sammy, and I am with the company. We are an all-natural, biodegradable, plant-based cleaner for all types of smoking accessories and glassware that is water washable, which means it can safely go down your drain. Is that something that you manage for?
Yeah, I mean, still working on the opening, so I still need some time.
Okay. So are we shooting for an opening this year or?
Yeah, this year.
Okay. All right. That's very exciting. I'm very glad to hear that you guys are, getting your feet on the ground and
On the ground, yeah.
open. Absolutely. Do you guys plan on carrying any plant-based cleaner?
Not sure yet. I mean, I know there's tons of options, but as we, open, we can definitely decide what we need or not need.
Absolutely. So the nature of my call today was actually to see if I could get you set up with a quick 15-minute phone call with our founder, so that he could tell you a little bit more about our company. And after that, we can send you some samples that you can have readily available for that opening. See what your new clientele and your new customers think about it, and if it's something that they like, you've already got your foot in the door with somebody who wants to see your business do good and kind of grow with you.
Right, that's awesome. I appreciate that.
Absolutely. Would we be able to get you scheduled for that quick 15-minute meeting?
Sure. Maybe later on today, because I'm at work right now. So, either later today or tomorrow will work.
Okay, I could certainly get you scheduled in for tomorrow.
What are the later times in the day? Evening, late afternoons, evening.
Absolutely. So it looks like the latest appointment I have for tomorrow is at 4:30 p.m.
And what's your latest today?
My latest today is also 4:30 p.m.
Okay. All right, let's shoot for later today at 4:30. Tomorrow. Yeah.
All right. And I do have an email on file of llc@gmail.com. Is that still the best email for you?
Yes, that's correct.
Fantastic. And just to verify, you did say that you were interested in receiving some free samples from us, right?
Sure.
Okay, fantastic. So what I'm going to go ahead and do then is I'm going to get you penciled in for that 4:30 appointment today to have reach out to you. He's going to go over our product a little bit more in detail. It is derived from plants, specifically soybeans, all natural, no harmful chemicals, which means, unlike other cleaning products, ours is eco-friendly and safe.
Right.
It doesn't leave any residue. That way, after you get done cleaning any of your glassware or your smokeware, there's not going to be anything that could be left in that piece that's going to be inhaled, which is kind of really the goal. We want to make sure that, your accessories are clean without that either fear of, something happening or that awful taste. That first session after you get that all cleaned out with other cleaners, that awful taste. Ours does not do that. It doesn't cloud glass or leave any lingering smells. And yeah, again, we are absolutely thrilled to be able to speak with you and hopefully partner with you while you get, your doors opened and you start getting customers in.
Right, that's awesome. Thank you. What did you say your name was again?
Oh, my name is Sammy.
Sammy, okay. I'm gonna be calling later.
Yes, we'll be calling you today at 4:30 p.m. and that is going to be Eastern Standard Time because that's your time zone. And he will be calling you at the number that I've called you at today.
Okay. All right, awesome.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. does definitely look forward to speaking with you and partnering with you for that launch of your business.
Right. Thank you. I appreciate that. And look forward to the call.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you.